Instruction Video 3. Setting up the multi-unit charger and cloning radios. Setting up the multi-unit charger and charging the radio. The multi-unit charger allows drop-in charging of up to 6 radios. Each of the 6 charging pockets can hold a radio with a battery installed. The multi-unit charger also offers pockets for storing earpieces. Place the multi-unit charger on a flat surface or mount it on a wall. Insert the power cord plug into the multi-unit charger and then plug the cord into the wall socket. Insert the radio facing down with battery installed into the charging pocket, ensuring that the battery contacts are aligned with the multi-unit charger contacts. Per charging pocket, the LED indicators indicate the status of charging. When lit red, the battery is charging. When lit green, the battery is fully charged. When it flashes red, there is a problem with the battery. Try to insert the battery again. When charging a battery attached to the radio, ensure that the radio is turned off. With the customer programming software, the radio can be programmed to switch off automatically when inserted into the charger. Cloning radios. You can copy the radio setting from the source radio to another radio. Make sure both radios are turned off. To put the source radio into clone mode, press and hold the source radio power button, push to talk button and the menus button simultaneously until you hear the cloning tone and the LED indicator is flickering. Place the source radio into the leftmost pocket on the multi-unit charger. Now switch on the new radio by using the power button and place it into the right pairing charging pocket. To start the cloning process, press the menu button on the source radio. Keep in mind that the radio is facing down in the charger, therefore the menu button is mirrored. The cloning process from the source radio will start. When the cloning process is completed, a good key chirp tone will sound from the source radio and the LED indicator will briefly turn green. Remove both radios from the multi-unit charger and switch them off. When you reactivate them, they are ready for use.